thing when you have a visa is you can only work for the company who has sponsored your visa. So I could
Correct.
only work for.
So it's not necessarily the case that you can only work if you have a visa. It depends on what kind of visa you have. In this case, the gentleman was a reporter, so they probably have what's called an I visa. These are for people who are, reporters and work for news stations, stuff like that. Yeah, they could be stuck with whoever is the organization. However, there's a broader visa called an O visa, which if you get that, you have an itinerary of different jobs you could do. So you could potentially work for different places. You're not just subject to one place. Like that visa. The H-1B is another visa that you're stuck with one person, but there are other visas that are broader. You can do different kind of things. Later on, he gets a green card based on what's called an EB-1A Extraordinary Ability Immigrant Petitioner, a green card based on being the top echelon of what you do. In this case, he won Grammys to show he's won top awards. And done great work and this and that. He got it. But I just give you a heads up. Yeah, there are different visa categories. There's ones that you're tied to one employer. There's ones that are broader. You go for different places potentially. But they're all very strict and the requirements are obnoxious for U.S. immigration because what you see online, for example, the green card he got, it states out the list of stuff you need to do. They're much more strict about it and they fight you about it. And I've seen people who have Grammy awards where the government says, what's a Grammy? We don't know if that's a legitimate award or not. So you kind of want to bang your head against the wall sometimes in these kind of cases. It's not as easy, but it's doable. So talk with a lawyer if you think you can apply for one of these cases.